Okay, so this is to wrap up the section on center of mass. I need you to download and print this this worksheet. It's just one page. If you can't print, then uh, make your own graph paper or something with a ruler and answer these questions and draw as neatly as possible. So let's take a look at what I'm asking you to do here. I want you to find the center of mass for this configuration. So I've got mass 1, which is over here at x equals -1, y equals +1, and it happens to have a mass of 10 kilograms. Mass 2 is down here, and it has mass 5 kilograms. Mass 3 has 5 kilograms, and it's over here. So I'm going to get you started on this. Right, so let's use blue. So the position of the center of mass is going to be mass 1, M1, X1. And so the position of the overall center of mass is going to be this, M1, X1 plus M2, X2 plus M3, X3 over M1 plus M2 plus M3. Okay, now I can't draw small on this screen, but I would expect you to show me this formula on what you submit. Okay, but I'm going to have to clear the screen here. Okay, so let's see. This is going to end up being mass 1. All right, so 10 times -1 plus, okay, so that takes care of mass 1. Let's do mass 2, 5, and its x-coordinate is +1. And the third mass is also 5 kilograms, and its x-coordinate is 5. All of this is going to be over 10 plus 5 plus 5. And I'm running out of space, so I'm going to use this space down here. So we've got -10 plus 5 plus 25 all over 10 plus 1. All right. This is 20. All right. So this, let's see. This is -5. Oh, so this is going to be 20 over 20. Oh, so the x-coordinate is going to be 1 meter. So as far as x is concerned, the center of mass is going to be somewhere on this dotted line. It's going to be somewhere in here. Now you need to do the same thing, but for the y-coordinates. Okay. And then you're going to do something very similar for the x-coordinates. You're going to get the center of mass. Now, to get the total momentum at the end is just going to be the velocity of the center of mass times the total mass. So that gives you the a shortcut. You don't want to go and do too much work here. Okay, so please do this. I'm going to add it to the Canvas homework that you need to upload. And I strongly urge you to do this before tomorrow's quiz. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.